Tired of getting lost because your signal vanished at the worst possible moment? Let's make sure that never happens again by showing you how to use Google Maps offline in just a few simple steps. First, open the Google Maps app on your smartphone and tap on your profile icon located in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. This will open a menu. From the options available, select Offline Maps. On the Offline Maps screen, you will see an option to select your own map. Tap on it. Now, a rectangular frame will appear on the map, allowing you to select the area you want to download. You can move the frame around by dragging it on the screen and adjust its size by pinching in or out to zoom and include the desired area. Keep in mind that the larger the area, the more storage space it will require on your device. Once you've selected the area you need, tap the download button at the bottom of the screen. Google Maps will now begin downloading the map data to your device. The download time will depend on the size of the area and your internet connection speed. Once the download is complete, your offline map will be listed on the Offline Maps screen. Along with its expiration date, Google Maps will automatically update your offline maps periodically when you're connected to Wi-Fi to ensure the information is up to date. Now, even without an internet connection, you can access this map area, search for locations, and get directions. Enjoy seamless navigation wherever you go.